Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Tradingview and Upstox full guide. Open your Upstox app, go to Settings, and enable Tradingview integration to link charts instantly. Next, confirm permissions so Tradingview can display live market data and send orders. I will walk you through chart layout setup, adding indicators, and placing test trades, keeping things simple so you can start trading with confidence and clarity. Open a Tradingview chart inside Upstox and pick a time frame that fits your strategy, like 5 minutes for intraday or daily for swing trades. Add indicators such as EMA and RSI to filter entries and use volume to confirm strength. Customize colors, grid, and drawing tools so charts feel familiar, then save the layout so it loads anywhere you log into Upstox for consistent analysis and faster decision-making. When your setup generates a signal, use the Tradingview order panel to create market, limit, or stop orders and preview them before sending to Upstox. Double-check position size and risk rules to protect capital, and consider attaching stop loss and target orders for disciplined exits. If you are new, practice with paper trading to build confidence without real money, then transition slowly to live trades once you consistently follow your plan.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.